is G and operation is addition modulo, suppose 5, and the elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is a group just simply the closure property we check by the Cayley matrix. We take the binary operation 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what happen? 0 is identity, obviously, so we can check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, this is 1, 1, this is 2, less than 5, this is 3, this is 4, and 1 and 4 become 1 plus 4 become 5 divided by 5, that we get 0. Now similarly with 2, it is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and 2 plus 3 modulo 5, then what happen? 5, this is again 0, and 2 and 4, 2, 5, 4 is equal to 6 divided by 5, this is actually 5 by 5, 0, and this is 1. Now this is 3 and this is 4, 3 to 5, this is 0, 3, 3, 6, this is 1, 3, 4, 7, this is 2, and this is 4, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So see, all the resulted element in G, no new element is produced. That means this is closure, this is closure. Simply we can check associativity, also associative. So in Cayley table, clearly seen all entries are in G. Therefore G satisfy closure property. This is 1. Similarly 2, easily we can check associativity, and third is identity. Obviously 0 plays identity. Number 4, inverse. The inverse of 0 is 0. Inverse of 1, what is the inverse of 1? When it comes 0, 4. Because inverse is multiplied or added, then we get 0. That means 0 come here. And inverse of 2. Inverse of 2 is now 3. Because in this column and in this row we can check that 0 come here. Now inverse of 3, obviously 2, inverse of 4, 1, inverse of 4 is 1. That means all 4 properties are satisfied, hence we can say, hence G is group. G is group. Again, see one more thing. What happen if I change the operation? If I change the operation multiplication, what happen? Simply, the case of inverse or in Cayley table, you can see all element will come 0. That means the identity, the question of identity is 1. What is the inverse of 0? That means because with respect to multiplication, identity is 1. Now, what we multiply with 0, that we get 1. Because this means what? If suppose it is x, if it is x, then what we have? 0 into x divided by 5 should be 1. But if we take product of 0 and x, this is obviously 0. And divide the denominator 5 has no role. So if we calculate this whole term become 0. That means the inverse of 0 is not defined. That means it is not group. That means G is not group with respect to multiplication modulo 5. Another thing, if I increase element, if I say here is 5 and our operation is addition modulo 5, then what happens? Just by Cayley table you can see that this is also not group. Check. So this is the addition modulo and multiplication modulo cases. Many other cases you can also see. So actually this binary operation you need to know more example with this binary operation. Later we do.